Step 1. Pry open the top for snaps of the product with a screwdriver to open the cover on the top of the machine. Step 2. Then unscrew the 2 screws holding the motor with a screwdriver, and remove the motor as a whole. Step 3. Next, the foreign object stuck in the impeller can be removed from the impeller. Step 4. Finally, put the motor back into the corresponding position in the box, fix the motor with the screws just removed, cover the cover on the top of the machine and buckle the 4 buckles.